In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Basecamp subscription. Whether you're moving on to a different service or simply no longer need Basecamp, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring that you can do it smoothly and without any hiccups. First, the journey begins at the Basecamp website. Open your preferred web browser and type in basecamp.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and you'll be directed to their homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to proceed with the cancellation process. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to a section called Admin Land. This is essentially the control center for your Basecamp account settings. You can find Admin Land by looking for it in the navigation menu. It's usually located at the top or side, depending on your interface settings. Clicking on Admin Land will take you to a page where you can manage different aspects of your account. After you're in Admin Land, the next step is to scroll down the page. As you do, you'll come across various options related to your account management. Look for a section that mentions upgrading to a paid plan. This might sound a bit counterintuitive, but this is where you'll also find the option to cancel your subscription if you're already using a paid account. If you're currently using a paid Basecamp account, you'll see an option labeled Cancel Subscription. This is the button you need to click to initiate the cancellation process. Keep in mind that canceling your subscription will end your access to the paid features of Basecamp. Before you proceed, make sure you've backed up any important data you might need later. Once you click on Cancel Subscription, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a standard procedure to ensure that the cancellation is intentional. Follow any additional prompts or instructions that appear on your screen to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Basecamp subscription. Remember, canceling a subscription means you'll lose access to any premium features immediately after the current billing cycle ends. If you change your mind, you can always reactivate your subscription in the future. I hope this guide has made the cancellation process easy to understand and follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Basecamp's support team is always available to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.